Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing review of the Full House, which is a bootie. I personally got it in the red and pink check. First of all, it's coming in the Hilda the Hippo box, which you probably have all seen. It's super cute. And again, this is what it's called. Okay, so when you first take these out of the box, this is what they look like. Starting in the back, it's a crown. Really cute. These are embroidered on, stitched. You've got the scalloping here, scalloping detail down the back. You've got the different little embroidered card symbols there. You've got some more of them up here, embroidered. And there's embroidery around the edge of the cards. And the cards have a snake, a butterfly, a dragonfly, and a spider. And then we come down here, there's a crown with some roses. And then on the tip of the toe, what does it say? It says Queen of My Own Destiny. So it says Queen of My Own Destiny, which is a nice thing. Let's see, on the bottom, we have the Hilda again. Okay. And the heel's not too tall. This is just like the beauty that I showed in one of my other videos with the sushi line. So these are pretty comfortable. Now I have tried them on, and here's how they come. They have kind of a thick, these are sort of like a velveteen lace, which is just really thick. And these just stay on with tension. Like, they just come off. So I think once you get them where you want them, it's probably not a bad idea to put a little touch of glue in here and just glue them in, because if you knock against something, they could just fling off. Okay. So here's the bootie as it comes laced, and it is the kind of lacing that goes, it starts down here, it runs up the back, and then they just whip stitch it around this way. That made me insane when I tried to put these on. To try and adjust out the gap in the laces, it just made me crazy. So what I ended up doing was this, which is just more of a traditional lacing, because this way it was just a lot easier for me to loosen the top around my ankle and get my foot in, because it just made me crazy trying to do that other one. And I don't honestly think it looks that much cuter. I think in fact it actually looks a little bit more bulky. If you look at the two, I actually think I do like this one better. And again, you can take these off. They come off pretty easy. Like that. And I'll take this one off. If you want to go ahead and lace these all the way up. But sometimes for comfort, I like to leave the top eyelet empty. And then all you do is slide these back on. But again, I think I'm going to put a touch of glue just so that I don't lose these when I'm, running around. Okay. Okay. So anyway, these on the inside are almost like a velvety feel, light pink, or it's almost a lilac and dark purple stripe. It goes all the way down to the bottom. The fabric is kind of soft, like a faux suede. It feels very much like a faux suede. All in here. And then the rest of this is just smooth. So you could, clean these up pretty easily if you got them dirty. But my thought was that these looked a lot like the kind of Queen of Hearts theme. I missed all of the Alice in Wonderland, and I could never find any for sale in my size. So I figured this would probably be the only shoe from Irregular Choice I'll ever get that's even close to that collection. So here's what they look like. But I thought they were just really cute. And I have tried them on. I wear an 11, and I feel that these fit true to size. I do have a feel that if you're going to wear socks, or if you're in between sizes, I would definitely size up. But they're just really cute. I would say that the dice were the factor that put me over the edge where I had to get them, because it was just too cute. Anyway, so here they are. Okay. And if you got these in black, or if you got any of the other shoes from this collection, go ahead and leave me a comment and post a picture if you can. I'd love to see it, hear what you have to say. Anyway, thank you for watching, and have a great day.